Hello guys, I am Suhani from Gujarat and Surat. Now I am naming the 195 official countries with their capital, currency and primary language. So let's start it. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, the Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belgium, Belize, Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso and Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, China, Colombia, Comoros, Democratic Congo, Republic of Congo, Costa Rica, Cote d'Ivoire, Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic and Denmark, Djibouti, Dominica, Dominican Republic, East Timor-Leste, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Estonia, Ethiopia, Fiji, Finland, France, the Gabon, Gambia, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea-Bissau and Guyana, Haiti, Honduras, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Republic of Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kiribati in North Korea, South Korea, Kosovo, Kuwait, Kazakhstan, Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Macedonia, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mali, Malta, Marshall Island, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mexico, Federal State of Micronesia, Morocco, Monaco, Mongolia, Montenegro, Monaco, Mongolia, Montenegro, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Niger, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, Palestine, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Samoa, San Marino, Sao Tome and Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Suriname, Swaziland, Sweden, Switzerland, Syria, Taiwan, Tajikistan, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tonga, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Tuvalu, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States of America, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Vatican City, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yemen, Zambia and Zimbabwe. That's it.
Guys, now it's time for primary language, capitals and currency. Let's start. Afghanistan,
Kabul, Afghani, Dari Persian and Pashto.
Albania,
Tirana, Lake, Albanian.
Algeria,
Algiers, Algerian dinar, Tamazight, Arabic and French.
Andorra,
Andorra la Vella, Euro and Catalan.
Angola,
Luanda, Kwanzaa and Portuguese.
Antigua and Barbuda,
Saint John, East Caribbean dollar and English.
Argentina,
Buenos Aires, Argentina peso and Spanish.
Armenia,
Yerevan, dram, Armenian.
Australia,
Canberra, Australian dollar and English.
Austria,
Vienna, Euro and German.
Azerbaijan,
Baku, Manat, Azerbaijani.
the Bahamas,
Nassau, Bahamian dollar and English.
Bahrain,
Manama, Bahraini dinar and Arabic.
Bangladesh,
Dhaka, Taka and Bangla.
Barbados,
Bridgetown, Barbadian dollar and English.
Belarus,
Minsk, Belarusian ruble, Belarusian and Russian.
Belgium,
Brussels, Euro, Dutch, French and German.
Belize,
Belize, Belmopan, Belize dollar and English.
Benin,
Porto Novo, West African CFA, France and French.
Bhutan,
Thimphu, Ngultram and Dozongkha.
Bolivia,
La Paz and Sucre, Boliviano, Spanish, Quechua and Aymara.
Bosnia,
Bosnia and Herzegovina. Sarajevo, convertible mark, and Bosnian, Croatian and Serbian.
Botswana,
Gaborone, Pula, English and Tswana.
Brazil,
Brasilia, Real and a Portuguese.
Brunei,
Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei dollar and Malay.
Bulgaria,
Sofia, Leo and Bulgarian.
Burkina Faso,
Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou, West African CFA France and French.
Burundi,
Burundi, Bujumbura, Burundi France, Kirundi and French.
Cambodia,
Cambodia, Phnom Penh, Real and Khmer.
Cameroon,
Yaoundé, Central African CFA France, French and English.
Canada,
Ottawa, Canadian dollar, French and English.
Cape Verde,
Praia, Cape Verde, Escudo and in Portuguese.
Central African Republic,
Banjul, Central African CFA France, Sango and French.
Chad,
Andy Jamina, Central African CFA France, French and Arabic.
Chile,
Santiago, Chilean peso and Spanish.
China,
Beijing, Chinese yuan and Mandarin.
Colombia,
Bogota, Colombian peso and Spanish.
Comoros,
Moroni, Comorian France, Comorian Arabic and French.
Democratic Republic of the Congo,
Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kinshasa, Congolese France and French.
Republic of the Congo,
Brazzaville, West Central African CFA France and French.
Costa Rica,
Saint Jose, Cologne and Spanish.
Ivory Coast,
Ivory Coast, Yamoussoukro and Abidjan, West African CFA France and French.
Croatia,
Zagreb, Croatian and Cura.
Cuba,
Havana, Cuban peso and Spanish.
Cyprus,
Nicosia, Greek and Turkish and Euro.
Czech Republic,
Size Republic, Paraguay, Size Coruna, Size and Slovak.
Denmark,
Companion, Danish Krone and Danish.
Djibouti,
Djibouti, Djibouti in France, Arabic and French.
Dominica,
Rossi, Southeast Caribbean dollar, Arabic, French, English and Antillean Creole.
Dominica Republic,
Santo Domingo, Dominican peso and Spanish.
East Timor,
Dili, US dollar and Tetum, Indonesian and Portuguese.
Ecuador,
Ecuador, Quito, US dollar and Spanish.
Egypt,
Cairo, Egyptian pound and Arabic.
El Salvador,
San Salvador, US dollar and Spanish.
Equatorial Guinea,
Malabo, Central African CFA France, Spanish, Portuguese and French.
Eritrea,
Asmara, Nakfa, Arabic, English and Tigrinya.
Estonia,
Italian, Estonian krone and Euro and Estonian.
Ethiopia,
Addis Ababa, Bill and Amharic.
Fiji,
Hindi, English, Suwa, Fijian dollar and Bao Fiji.
Finland,
Helsinki, Euro, Finnish and Swedish.
France,
Paris, CFP France and Euro and French.
Gabon,
Libreville, Central African CFA France and French.
The Gambia,
Banjul, Darzi and English.
Georgia,
Tbilisi, Euro and Georgian.
German,
Germany, Euro and Berlin.
Ghana,
Accra, Ghanaian KD and English.
Greece,
Athens, Greek and Euro.
Grenada,
St. George, English and Portuguese, East Caribbean dollar.
Guatemala,
Guatemala City, Quetzal and Spanish.
Guinea,
Guyanese France, Conakry and French.
Guinea-Bissau,
Bissau, West African CFA France and a Portuguese.
Guyana,
Georgetown, Guyanese dollar and English.
Haiti,
Port-au-Prince, gold and Haitian Creole and French.
Honduras,
Tegucigalpa, Lempira and Spanish.
Hungary,
Budapest, Hungarian and Forint.
Iceland,
Reykjavik, Icelandic krona and Icelandic.
India,
New Delhi, Indian rupee, Hindi and English.
Indonesia,
Iran, Tehran, Riyal, and a Persian.
Iraq,
Baghdad, Iraqi dinar, Arabic and Kurdish.
Republic of Ireland,
Dublin, Euro, Irish, and English.
Israel,
Jerusalem, Shekel, Hebrew and Arabic.
Italy,
Rome, Euro, and Italian.
Jamaica,
Kingston, Jamaican dollar and English.
Japan,
Tokyo, yen and Japanese.
Jordan,
Amman, Jordan dinar and Arabic.
Kazakhstan,
Kazakh Astana, Kazakh Russian and Tenge.
Kenya,
Nairobi, Kenya shilling, English and Swahili.
Kiribati,
Tarawa Atoll, Kiribati dollar, English and Gilbertese.
North Korea,
Pyongyang, North Korean won and Korean.
South Korea,
Seoul, South Korean won and Korean.
Kosovo,
Pristina, Albanian and Serbian and Euro.
Kuwait,
Kuwait City, Kuwaiti dollar, Arabic and English.
Kazakhstan,
Bishkek, some Kyrgyz and Russian.
Laos,
Laos, Vientiane, Laotian and Kip.
Latvia,
Riga, Latvian and Lets.
Lebanon,
Lebanese pound, English and Beirut.
Lesotho,
Maseru, Sesotho and English and Loti.
Liberia,
Monrovia, Liberian dollar and English.
Libya,
Libya, Libyan dinar, Arabic. Libyan dinar, Arabic and Tripoli.
Liechtenstein,
Vaduz, Swiss francs and German.
Lithuania,
Lithuanian litas and Vilnius and Lithuania.
Luxembourg,
Euro, German, French and Luxembourgish.
Macedonia,
Skopje, Macedonian dinar and Macedonian.
Madagascar,
Antananarivo, Malagasy Ariary, Malagasy French and English.
Malvi,
Lilongwe, Malvi Kutch and English.
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur, Ringgit and Malay.
Maldives,
Malay, Dive and Maldivian Rufian.
Mali,
Bamako, West African CFA France and French.
Malta,
Valletta, Euro and Maltese and English.
Marshall Island,
Majuro, Marshallese and English and US dollar.
Mauritania,
Nouakchott, Aguilla, Arabic.
Mauritius,
Port Louis, Mauritian rupee and English.
Mexico,
Mexico City, Mexican peso and Spanish.
Federal State of Micronesia,
Micronesia, Epalikir, US dollar and English.
Moldova,
Chisinau, Moldovan leu and Moldovan. Monaco, Euro, Italian, French and English.
Mongolia,
Ulaanbaatar, Togo and Mongolian.
Montenegro,
Puerto Rico, Euro and Montenegrin.
Morocco,
Rabat, Moroccan dirham and Arabic.
Mozambique,
Mozambican emetical, a Portuguese and Mozambique, a Maputo.
Myanmar,
Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Kyat and Burmese.
Namibia,
Windhoek, a Namibian dollar, Afrikaans, German and English.
Nauru,
Yereem, Northern and English and Australian dollar.
Nepal,
Kathmandu, Nepali rupee and Nepali.
Netherlands,
Amsterdam and The Hague, Euro and Dutch.
New Zealand,
Wellington, New Zealand dollar and English.
Niger,
Nicaragua, Managua, Cordova and Spanish.
Niger,
Niamey, West African CFA France and French.
Nigeria,
Abuja, Naira, and English.
Norway,
Oslo, Norwegian krone and Norwegian.
Pakistan,
Pakistan, Islamabad, Urdu and English, and a Pakistani rupee.
Palau,
Malakok, US dollar, Palawan and English.
Panama,
Panama City, Balboa and Spanish.
Papua New Guinea,
Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea, Kina, and Hirimoto, Tok Basin and English.
Paraguay,
Asunción, Guarani, Spanish and Guarani.
Peru,
Lima, Nuevo Sol and Spanish.
Philippines,
Manila, Philippine Peso, Filipino and English.
Poland,
Poland, Warsaw, Zloty and Polish.
Portugal,
Lisbon, Euro and Portuguese.
Qatar,
Doha, Qatari Riyal and Arabic.
Romania,
Romania, Bucharest, Romanian rupee and Romanian.
Russia,
Moscow, ruble and Russian.
Rwanda,
Kigali, Rwandan, France. Kinyarwanda, French and English.
Saint Kitts and Nevis,
Basseter, East Caribbean dollar and English.
Saint Lucia,
Saint Lucia, a Castries, East Caribbean dollar, English and French.
Saint Vincent and the Grenadines,
Kingston, that was Kingstown, East Caribbean dollar and English.
Samoa,
Apaya, Tala, Samoan and English.
San Mario,
San Marino, Euro and Italian.
Sao Tome and Principe,
Sao Tome, Dobra and Portuguese.
Saudi Arabia,
Riyal, Saudi Riyal and Arabic.
Senegal,
Dakar, West African CFA, France and French.
Serbia,
Belgrade, Serbian dinar and Serbian.
Cyprus,
Cyclish. Victoria, Seychelles rupee, Seychelles creole, English and French.
Sierra Leone,
Freetown, Leone, Creole and English.
Singapore,
Singapore dollar, Malay, Mandarin Chinese and English.
Slovakia,
Bratislava, Slovak and Euro.
Slovenia,
Ljubljana, Sloveni and Euro.
Solomon Island,
Honiara, Solomon Island dollar, Solomon's Fiji.
Somalia,
Mogadishu, Somalia shilling, Somalia and Arabic.
South Africa,
Pretoria, Cape Town and Bloemfontein, Rand, Zulu, Exhosa and Afrikaans.
Spain,
Spanish, Madrid and Euro.
Sri Lanka,
Colombo, Sri Lankan rupee and Sinhala and Tamil.
Sudan,
Khartoum, Sudanese pound, Arabic and English.
Swaziland,
Sudan का Suriname, a Paramaribo. Suriname is dollar and Dutch.
Swaziland,
Mbamani, Siswatian English and Lilangeni.
Sweden,
Sweden, Stockholm, Swedish krona and Swedish.
Switzerland,
Swedish France, Switzerland.
Syria,
Syria, Damascus, Syrian pound and Arabic.
Taiwan,
Taipei, New Taiwan dollar and Mandarin.
Tajikistan,
Tajik and Russian, Somoni and Dodoma. That was Dushanbe.
Tanzania,
Dar es Salaam, Dodoma, Tanzania shilling and Swahili.
Thailand,
Bangkok, Thai baht and Thai.
Togo,
Lo, West African CFA, France and French.
Tonga,
Nuku Alofa, Epanga, Tongan and English.
Trinidad and Tobago,
Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago dollar and English.
Tunisia,
Tunisian dinar, Tunisian and French.
Turkey,
Ankara, Turkish lira and Turkish.
Turkmenistan,
New Turkmenmanat, Turkmen and Russian, and Ashgabat.
Tuvalu,
Tuvalu and dollar, Waikau, Tuvaluan and English.
Uganda,
Ukraine. Ukraine. No, it's Uganda. Okay. Uganda shilling. Ugandan and English. And Kampala.
Ukraine,
Kiev, Ravenna, Ukrainian and Russian.
United Arab Emirates,
Abu Dhabi, Dirham and Arabic.
United Kingdom,
London, pound sterling and English.
United States of America,
Washington and DC, English and Spanish and US dollar.
Uruguay,
Montevideo, Uruguayan peso and Spanish.
Uzbekistan,
Uzbek and Russian, Tashkent and Uzbekistan Sum.
Vanuatu,
Port Vila, Vanuatu, Bislama, English and French.
Vatican City,
Vatican City, Euro, Latin and Italian.
Vietnam,
Vietnam, Vietnamese, Dong and Hanoi.
Venezuela,
Caracas, Bolivar Fute and Spanish.
Yemen,
Yemen, Yemeni Rial, Arabic and Sana.
Zambia,
Lusaka, Zambian Kwacha and English.
Zimbabwe,
Harare, US dollar and English. And Switzerland, Swiss francs, Dutch, that was English, French and German, and the capital is